What's going on now? Can we please exit the sewer? Is that a... Nope. We're now in the subway. Please don't tell me I now have to fight, like, rats. You know, I think that's the next step now. Like, we go from worms to rats. Alright, you guys. I accidentally pressed the wrong button, but... You know what? What does it matter? As long as you kill him, what's the difference? You know? Oh, get that guy too, so he's out of my way. While I'm shooting. Get that guy. Okay, well, I try getting... Get him! There we go. I was kind of wondering why I wasn't able to... Okay. God dang it. Get out of my way. I don't care. You're all going down! I'm gonna kill every last one of you.
Watch out! Mafia gang!
I do really love that she just kind of, like, tells me this, like, all last second, every time. I don't think she's ever, like, warned me ahead of time about anything. Like... I'm definitely not gonna be dying here, though, so... Get that out of your head. When are there not more coming? Let's be honest here. When are there not? And boom. Get that guy. Oh, that was that guy. Okay. I saw something like move around behind me, and I was like, well, goddamn. Goodbye.
Watch out!
Yeah, again, every time she only warns me like last freaking second, dude. And I'm like, well, you know, I would have maybe liked that a little bit sooner. Thanks, lady. I still don't remember your name. I only know my name is Grave. Because it's a crazy, really weird name. There we go. Get rid of them. Okay. Woo! 101. That's pretty good. Well, 103 now. Holy shit! Get that guy. Bam! I'm gonna walk to you, sir. Ugh! Like, okay. I will say, I don't think any of these people are that intimidating. Like, any of these, like, they all say, like, go! And it's always like from the most unconfident sounding people. Like, I don't think any of these people sound really confident at all when they're saying these things, you know? I don't know if that's just a me thing or like... Come on, try it again. Dummy. Idiot. Like, I do wonder, they see me constantly do that every single time, and they're still like, yeah, let's send some rocket launchers at them. I don't know, maybe, don't do that, so that way I, you know, can not just easily deflect them back at you, causing you just more damage in the long term. Okay.
Great, they're coming from all sides.
Yeah, yeah, I believe that. That's not that
Grave,
surprising.
There are more of them coming.
Oh. That's why you sent the bomb. The bomb squad.
Grave, there are too many of them.
What do you mean there's too many? This is like the same amount that I always have to face. What do you mean there's too many of them? This is the same amount I normally have to face. What are you talking about? There's too many. You just... There's no way you can defeat that many people. How about this entire game I've been doing that? Like, excuse me? Oh. Hello. Goodbye. Like... I didn't even know he was there. And... Bam! Alright, I'm guessing I'm going down here. Oh, they're there. I was like, I hear them. Where are they? Ugh! God, I do just love the animations in this game, though. They're like just so over the top, and it's so good. Oh, damn, are those drones? I now have to fight drones now? Okay, well, at least they're not rats, or leeches, or worms, or, you know, anything I thought that'd be in the subway. That's a lot better. I thought I'd have to, like, fight, giant-ass rats, and, like, more leeches and worms. Why did the door close on me like that?
We have a problem.
What kind of problem?
Mika and her team are pinned down in front of the refinery. They're ambushed by Raven Clan forces. It looks like someone was expecting us. You'll need to reach them fast.
Like...
Let's see if they're expecting you. Give them hell!
Like, I get he's, like, dead, but, like, does he actually just not say anything? Like, I mean Grave here. Why are you giving me the, like, the peaceful music? This is... We are not in peaceful times. There are people right here. Come on. Get rid of him. Gotta get rid of those drones. Oh, Grave, thank you. I was like, please hit the guy with the shield. And there we go. You know, it's all fun and games until I blast you in the head. Are they coming from the other side? Oh no, I just shot it up.
Watch out. Upper levels.
What do you mean? Oh, there. I was like, what do you? Get rid of the shields. And bring you in. Dang it! That guy just walked up at the wrong time, dude. Like I really wanted to get that like kill. Dummy. Can I block those at all, or is that just like a? Let's see. You know, why? Get that guy. Okay, they're like gassing this entire place up. I'm not gonna lie. Like, come here. There we go.
There's the exit.
Where is the exit? Is it this way, or am I going the right way? Where's the marker? Okay, I was not going the right way. No wonder. I was like, dude, I don't see the marker at all. Then where is this exit? The supposed exit? There it. Like what? Ma'am. Okay. I'm guessing a boss of some kind, probably.
Grave, take the
Oh, we're just jumping out of the train?
That's the fastest way to Mika's location.
Okay, I can't. Okay, that was kind of cool. Not. Oh wait, that was the end of the. What? Only a 99% in my kill rate? Dude, what the heck? You're telling me I only got a 99%? That's not fair. Alright, train ride! Woo! Okay, but now this is gonna get interesting, because now we're in close confinement. Because the difference was...
They're coming for the doors!
Okay, you guys... Okay, well... Yeah, I guess my big problem here is gonna be the fact that, I'm gonna be very limited in the amount of space I have. Because, like, sure, so are they, but, like, this means I'm gonna have a lot less places to hide, or, like, kind of... Well, I guess not hiding, like, using cover, right? There's not really gonna be much cover to really use. Come here. Open the door.
Watch out, Grave! Rooftop!
Okay, that guy was not able to land because of where I was. Okay, I was about to say, what? I was in the middle of something, but sure, no, cutscene. Cutscene's fine. Yeah, sir. Yeah, like, sir. Okay, that might be bad. That might be a little bad. Oh, now we're on the rooftop. Oh, I see. Okay. Come on, you have to admit, that scene was just a scene for, like, the people, like, which, I'm not gonna say that's bad. Like, not at all. What the heck? How did you get over here? I'll get you. Come on. I know you want to. Okay. Of course they're gonna send more drones. Okay, come on. Yeah, I just gotta get rid of all these damn drones. Okay, these drones are definitely gonna be a pain in my ass, dude. Oh, there we go. Oh. Ugh! I'm sorry, I love the animations for those. They're... Okay, cutscene time? Oh, we're entering the train again? Oh, well, I guess the signs are making it so I'm not gonna skip that. That'd be rude. Oh.
Grave, you need to jump down.
Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. I gotta get down.
Jump down.
I'm trying.
Nice. That's the way you do it.
Okay. Knock it off, you two. Like, you guys were not really doing much, okay? Let's be honest.
Great! There are more of them coming!
Like, you know, they really need to plan out where they're gonna drop from, a lot better. I'm gonna say that right now. Like, there always seems to be one guy that just tries dropping around my head, which would normally work, but... Dude. Ah, dang it, he got in my way and I accidentally killed that guy. I wanted to, like, do the cool kind of kill, but... Nope, not for me, apparently. Come on, sir. Can you kill them by the door closing? I want to know that. Ugh. Come on. Oh, there's also people outside. How did you get out there? Like, genuinely, how are you guys getting out there? Oh, and you're still... Like, what? Did you guys just hear me? And then watch me kill everyone, and you're just like... I just killed you! Where are they coming from? Where are they actually coming from now? This is getting impressive. Where they're just showing up without a care in the world. They literally watched me kill everyone, and they're just like, you know what? Just hang out right here. Yep, I'm guessing they were gonna be there. Alright, none of them spawn back. Oh, well. Again, they just need to get better at their, like, at where they drop, you know? Alright, now. Dang, I hate when the doors just, like, close, though. Come on. Out of the way. Thank you, sir. I was like, I'm like, please. Like, I was just trying to get out of that room because they, like, gonna lit it on fire. Fire's not normally a good thing for a room to be on, you know? Like, you know, this time, none of them fell on me. You know, kudos for this room. Sir. Now let me guess who's gonna be him. Okay, and they also drop down. Oh, they're actually all dead? Alright, well I'll take you for it. Okay. Sir, how do you even fit on this train, man? Like, how do you fit on that rooftop? Oh dear.
Great! They're coming from the side!
Come on. Great, what are you doing? Great, what are you doing? There we go. Start freaking... Come on. Oh, and guess what? Nuke. Dummies, you thought I couldn't do that? You thought I couldn't do that? You thought just because you were on a train, you were safe!
Great! Watch your health!
What do you... My health is fine. Like, genuinely. What are you talking about? My health is genuinely the best it can be right now. Come on. Oh, dang it, I almost killed that one. Come on. Like, the shield guys are kind of just annoying because they make you kind of like have to deal with them first, I guess. Just because you need to get rid of that shield. What kind of who designed this train? Okay, there we go. That's a more you know that. Oh crap! I didn't even realize that. I also have to dodge that. Oh, nope. Gotta be this way. Okay, this is kind of a fun mechanic. Okay, you just gotta give me that. Okay, well I'm gonna take the other guy, but If you so insist of being the one that's taken. Like, I will say, this is a nice concept where you're fighting, but you also have to be sure you're, like, taking care of your surroundings. I don't know why I did the long range version on him. He was kind of rough. Come on. Grave. How did you not get rid of his shield? Thank you. I'm like, god damn, Grave. Come here. Yeah, I kind of assumed that would happen. Nuke! Oh. Got you! Got you!
Hurry, Grave!
Got you!
Faster!
What do you mean faster? I'm doing pretty well, I think. Yeah, dummy. Oh, I see why. I see that I had to go under. I didn't realize that. See, look. Kill rate, life remaining, always gonna be in the S tier. So, like, well... Okay. It's just such a shame that my beat score and my art score are gonna be pretty bad. Alright, who's ready? Who's ready to get a butt kicking, okay? Kinda cool though, not gonna lie. Oh, do I finally get the...
We already lost 7 men there! 8!
I think I should... Oh, no, this is probably gonna be me getting there, right? Yep, yep, that's affirmative. I'm on my way!
You need to get to her!
Yeah, you've kind of said that for the last few, missions, right? Okay, Grave, thank you. I was, Grave, like... God dang it. Made me have to waste that! Could have used that on someone cooler. Someone more important. Get that guy. Those ones up there. Come on. There you go. Get rid of all the... Oh god, that guy's got a flamethrower. I don't like that. Come on. Come on, you fools. Oh. Come on. Grave, what are you doing? I was pressing Y. Why won't you do the Y move? Okay, can I please ask that? Why are you not doing the Y move? That was a perfect opportunity, and you kind of just wasted it. Guess I have to do it this way. Okay, how do you activate? Oh, now you want to do it. Okay, I see. Now you want to do it. I see. Now you don't feel like being a little lazy guy. I see.
Hurry, Grave! Faster! They're really popping off right now, I'm not gonna lie. But
but I'm just built differently. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Give me my credit. Oh. Okay, well, now we're...
Are you okay? You're hurt.
Am I?
Alright, we're assuming more of them will come. Please hold them here.
Is this like my girlfriend or something?
We will move on to the seed warehouse on the other side of the city. You will need to take care of the refinery. Feel free to blow everything up there. We'll take one of their armored transporters.
I definitely feel like I need to understand who these characters are more. I do not... Am I supposed to be in love with her? Is she my girlfriend? Is she my wife? Who is she to me? Because she was willing to hug me, and I'm like, you know what? That's cool, but can I at least know who you are first?
Defend this area, Grave.
Grave, please hit the shield. Grave. Thanks. I was like, Grave, you gotta be kidding me with that. Okay, well, first off, Grave, you kind of walk backwards a little bit. Dude, knock it off over here.
Watch your head, Grave.
I'm trying to watch everything here, but you know, it's kind of a little bit, I don't know, maybe challenging, I would maybe say, if I wasn't a gamer.
They're much tougher.
God, dude, where are they not standing? I'm like, just trying to like, get a good clear of how many there are. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that was like, when does it end? Continue. Yeah. Where does it continue me from? Okay, no, it starts me from right here.
Are you okay? You're hurt.
I did it. Oh my god. To be fair, only 2 tries is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. 2 tries, that's pretty nice. Could have been a much worse. And I was not in a good position. That was crazy. You know, but I will say, this game's still fun. This game still is just like a really fun. Hell yeah. Dude, like, even with the amount of stuff I just had to go through, my kill rate and life remaining is still top notch. I told you, I'm just that good. Alright, I'm gonna call that one there. I don't really have much to update any of you guys on. Genuinely, I am doing a lot of, I'm doing a lot more work than I normally do. Normally, I'm just doing, like, the singular series. But with episode Aegis, I'm constantly recording and editing those while I'm also trying to keep up with GunGrave Gore to keep those coming out every Tuesday and Friday for the series. And episode Aegis, I'm kind of at least trying to keep that kind of consistent where, because I technically don't have to, it's not my main series, but I'd like to at least keep it somewhat consistent, just like, you know, I don't know, in case, you know, some of you only want to watch episode Aegis and not GunGrave Gore, which, you know, I you know, either way, I'm not your mom to tell you what to do or not, but I I'm fine with that, but I do really enjoy doing it. I'm also doing a few background projects. There's one I've been working on for a few months, and there's one I'm recently working on. The recent one is definitely going to come out first, because the one that's going to be a few months it's taking a few months for a reason. Like, I'm not just taking a few months, but alright. I'm talking a little bit too much, but yeah, so I hope you enjoy this episode, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.